You?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
so this
start
is
our con-
our, yeah,
I'm saying that now we can start our conversation very easily.
yes, yes, yes. And this is our first conversation. So please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Sanya. I am living in Jaipur with my husband and daughter. My daughter is in fifth grade, and right now
Okay.
she is in school. So I am free to conversation with you. And one thing I will tell you, really I'm very
Yeah,
glad to talk with you, and
yeah.
that you are giving me this chance for this conversation, and you are giving me very valuable time for this conversation.
No, it's my pleasure. Yeah. So I'm also happy talk with you. Yes. So, uh, if do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have also a YouTube channel, but right now I am working actively. I have posted only I think 2 or 3 videos or 5 or 6 because I'm all
Okay.
time not active.
Okay. Okay. So, what's your channel's name?
My channel's name actually new channel na. Sometime I forget the name. Um,
Okay.
English Elevation by Ojasvi.
Okay. So, if you have any question for me, then you can ask.
Okay. Tell me your whole day routine.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, I will tell you. In I woke up 5 o'clock. Sorry, I wake up 5 o'clock, and then I freshen up, and then I prepare breakfast. Yeah, and I send my child for school. After that,
Mhm.
after some time, I prepare lunch. Yeah, and served my husband, and I do clean my house, and after that, after some time, I'm taking rest. I take rest,
Mhm.
and then yeah, when I my son came back from school, then we have lunch together. Yeah, so and then when I get time, then I take a session with someone.
Mhm.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
make video, and then I teach some kids.
Very inspirational and
Yeah,
always very motivating.
yes, yes, and then I teach some kids at my home. Yeah, and after that, prepare some snacks and have that with my son. And then
Mhm.
after some time, I watch some videos for which is related in English. Yeah, so and then I prepare my dinner. Yeah, so yeah, and have that dinner with together. Yeah, so
Mhm.
this is my daily routine. Yeah, and then I go to the bed, and I tell a story with for my son.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then he goes to sleep, and I watch I'm using phone for a while. After that, I slept. Yeah, so this is my daily routine. So I think I take so much time to explain this.
Very nice story of your whole day routine.
Yes, yes.
It is in very good way.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
when you have free time, then what would you like do?
Yes, when I get free, at this time I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to improve my speaking. Yes,
Hmm.
when I get free. And apart from this, I'm interested in singing, dancing, and listening music.
Okay, can you sing a song for me? Because I am new on YouTube, and first time I have joined a video call.
Okay, but
It will okay
yeah, it
a little bit.
okay. Uh, sorry. Okay. Um, बातें ये कभी भी ना भूलना, कोई तेरे खातिर है जी रहा.
Voice is very sweet and melodious.
Yeah, thank you. So I don't know sweet or not, but yes, I like to sing.
No, no, I think it's a very good hobby, and
Yeah,
more and more things because your voice is
yes.
too good.
Okay. So tell me, can I ask some questions?
Yes, you can ask.
Okay. So, um, what makes you angry?
When my daughter doing some mischievous work, then I feel very angry because
Okay.
right now she is giving exams, half yearly exams. I think all the children are giving half yearly exams,
Yes, yes, yeah, at this time, yeah.
and I am continuously saying, "Beta, pad lo," but she is always doing some mischievous work, like she is watching TV.
Yeah, yeah,
Then I feel very angry.
yes. And what makes you happy?
Mm, When I watch movie, then I feel very
Okay.
happy.
Okay.
And
So
when
tell me,
outing, then I feel very happy.
okay. So tell me about your hobbies.
Uh, my hobbies are storybook reading, watching movies, and outing. This is my hobbies and listening music also.
Okay. So have you ever visited any other state, any other places?
Yes, recently I have visited Banaras, Lucknow, and
Okay.
Delhi NCR.
Okay. So that's nice. What is
State.
your strength? Yeah, strength.
Strength.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Uh,
Uh,
my
which is
strength is
within you. Which is
in
within
me.
you. Yeah.
In me. Okay.
Yes.
My strength is, first of all, I never give up. Whether there are so many hurdles, I always ready to face the challenges.
Okay. Okay. This is a good thing. Yeah. Okay. So tell me, if someone criticize you, then
Mhm.
how to take this?
I take it positively.
Yes, this is the good thing, because if someone criticize us, if we are taking as a in a positive way, then we can
Mhm.
improve that things. I'm not
You
saying
know, this
that
time, just
always
I'm interrupting you.
and
Uh,
he and she is always right. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that if someone criticize you, then if you take this in a positive way, then we can improve
Mhm.
ourselves. So, for
you know,
example, yeah,
you are I recording this video, and when you will upload this video, some people say there is some problem in the conversation, but some people will praise you. You are doing very good.
yeah,
So
that's
we
the
should
good.
always, we should always see the positive side. We should ignore the
Yes,
negative
yes.
thing.
Negative thing, yeah. If someone if our viewers criticize us in any part of our video, then we can take it as a positive way, and
Mhm.
we can improve that thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is important, and this thing helps us to do better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is in my opinion. If someone criticize you, so we always take this in a positive way.
Yes, you are right.
Yes. So,
Because I have
uh,
seen your all videos which you have
yeah.
uploaded. So I
Okay.
have done so much homework about your videos. So one thing I am continuously watching your video. You are improving day by day. So
Yes.
we should always ignore bad comments. We should do our work, and this is the real thing.
Yeah. Yeah. When some viewers put comments, then
Mhm.
this thing helps me to build up my confidence. This thing helps me to encourage me to do better. So, yes.
Mhm.
And at this time I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. Yes.
Mhm. Do you like gardening?
Sorry,
I'm saying, do you
gardening.
like gardening? Yes, yes, yes.
Oh,
Like small,
not,
small
yeah,
plants you can.
I like nature, but
Okay,
I'm interested in gardening.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Now you can ask another thing, some other topics we can discuss here, or we can. Okay, I'm asking that which thing makes you furious when your regarding your son. आपके बेटे की आपको कौन सी चीज सबसे ज्यादा नाराज करती है, गुस्सा आ जाता है?
Okay, when he does not take interest in study, then
Same thing. I
yes,
think every mother has opinion on this topic has same thing.
yeah, he never wants to study. He always wants to play and watch TV. So that's
Hmm.
why this thing makes
Okay.
me angry.
Hmm. Now I'm thinking. I also want record my video. Can I record my video?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Just a minute.
Now we are connect again.
Yes, ma'am. We will connect again very soon.
Yes. Now, nice talk to you.